Okay, so that's the rear window, and I will remove this one. Just press in that round thing. Okay, and this light bulb is not working. This is already modified. The screw is not there, neither there, but to the left and to the right. 3-pin connector. Now here's this thing. W5W, 12 volts. So that's not working. Yes, the filament is broken in this one. So I don't have an incandescent light bulb like this one, but I have some LEDs. The last one. Let's move it there. Okay, remove that one and put in 2 LEDs. One at this end and the other one at that end. I'm not sure about the polarity, but let's test it. So LED, and 3 incandescent light bulbs. Okay, now let's see if it works. That one is not working. The other ones are working. The LED is not that powerful. Okay, now it's working. But of course the LED is not as powerful as the incandescent. Okay, here's a little bit of shade, but it's working. The incandescent is red, the LED is kind of pink, and it's not as powerful, but it's working. So that's an LED, and those are incandescent, and that's LED.